If you're considering entering the Lake Victoria Challenge this year, the folks at Wingcopter are truly laying down the gauntlet. Over the past 3 weeks, Wingcopter drones have flown over 3,500 kilometres, all beyond visual line of sight, on Pentecost Island in Vanuatu, delivering vaccines with an average payload of 3.5 kilograms. They are serving 19 villages across the island. The payload includes 4 large packs of ice to cool the vaccines during and after delivery. To make on-site delivery with Wingcopter even faster and safer, they have developed a special winch lowering mechanism that releases the delivery box, remember that's got the cooling in it, directly at the destination where the vaccines are needed. The Wingcopter comes into the hover 10 metres above the ground and the box is lowered until it safely reaches the ground. This provides a scalable solution for delivering vaccines and other life-saving medical supplies from a central facility to multiple destinations without the need for an approach and departure infrastructure on the receiving side. Local nurses often trek through the jungle to deliver life-saving medicine and vaccine to health facilities. While some facilities are only 20 kilometres away, a single journey may take over 2 hours and cost $150 by car, and up to 7 hours when trekking through rough terrain, often hampered by unremitting rain. Wingcopter keep raising the bar in the drone delivery world. Well done to everybody there.
In Vanuatu, there are many villages, it's very remote, and also the population living very scattered. For example, in Pentecost, there are one health facility. There are no roads going there. The only way to go to that health facility is walk around 6 to 7 hours, crossing the island. So it's very difficult to deliver vaccine or any other medical supplies. The project is basically to find solution. Can we use drone for delivering vaccine in remote places or last mile delivery?
Wingcopter is a drone manufacturer in Germany, and we came here to Vanuatu to participate in this drone trial project to deliver vaccines. The drone trial project has been initiated by UNICEF and the Ministry of Health here in Vanuatu.
So since we came to Port Vila, we visited the villages, spoke to the chief, spoke to the communities and built up a relationship of trust with them. They understand what's going on, they understand the impact that such a system can have if it is scaled throughout the country.
Delivering vaccine is not like delivering other cargo or other supplies. You need to maintain the cargo within 2 to 8 degrees all the way.
To deliver the vaccines, we use a very special box. It is single-use box, and it fits the vaccines for up to 50 children that can be stored there for up to 10 hours.
We actually came up with the idea that we don't need to land the drone on the requested areas. Our idea was that the drone will fly wherever a nurse requests the vaccines and will lower down a box with the vaccines in this area.
As you know, globally, not only in Vanuatu, there are around 15 to 20% children do not have access to vaccine. So I'm hoping with this project, Vanuatu can provide a lesson or learn for other countries in the Pacific, specifically who have similar setting in terms of islands, in terms of difficulty to access. But for global as well. Other countries in the world can learn how drone can provide solution in terms of last mile delivery.